Hello Vechain Holders, how are you? Vechain Holders, just get ready for the huge pump, my friends. The huge increase coming soon, and the Vechain, my friends, get ready. My friends, you know what? I know at this time the changes of the Vechain is negative, but it's not mean that you decide to sell. You can see here, my friends, that now at this time the Vechain price is very badly fast down. My friends, if the price of the Vechain, if the price of every coin, any coin, the price fast down, so that's not mean then you decide to sell. No, my friends, every cryptocurrency, any cryptocurrencies market, every cryptocurrency is fast down, my friends, but that's not mean that you decide to sell. Anyways, at this time the change is negative, but you know what, I also predicted the Vechain future, my friends, and my technical analysis about Vechain tell me that Vechain will have to take a pump in the July month, my friends. Absolutely, Vechain will take a huge pump in the July, so that is why I'm telling you to get ready for a Vechain, my friends. Anyways, my friends, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. So this time the price of the Vechain is 0.08 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Vechain. Furthermore, the 24 hours trading volume, market cap, total supply, every available supply, every update is here, my friends. You can easily read out this update, my friends. Anyways, my friends, let me show you the price chart of the Vechain. Oh my goodness, you can see in the last of June the price of the Vechain pump, but now after some passage of time, you can see in the beginning of the July month, let me zoom it. In the beginning of the July, the price of the Vechain also pumped, but now this time after some passage of time, the price is again fast down, and still the price is fast down, my friends. So my friends, my prediction is positive about Vechain. Vechain will have to take a huge pump and the July month, and absolutely the short-term investor, I really recommend for all of you that please buy more and more Vechain, because in the July month the price change will become positive, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe channel for more news and updates videos, my friends.